I'm Kristen Willoughby with Tiller Hewitt Healthcare Strategies, and I wanted to share with you one of the top questions I get asked from liaisons in the field, and that is, what is the importance of call frequency? In other words, why should you see your providers every 4 to 6 weeks? Well, first off, you're really establishing consistency both with the providers and their office staff. They know that they're going to see your friendly face on a regular basis and that you're going to be there with important information that's going to help the provider, their staff, and their patients. Secondly, medical clinics have turnover on a regular basis. So you want to be there to ensure that all the staff members know exactly what service lines your hospital offers and how to refer to them. My suggestion is to create a Hospital 101 specifically for your facility so that new staff members and maybe even some current ones will know all of the service lines that your hospital offers and how to refer to those service lines. And of course that you are the point of contact in case they run into any issues along the way. This is also a great idea to create for your providers and especially any new providers that are coming into your community. If you have any questions about creating a Hospital 101, give us a call at Tiller Hewitt or visit our website at tillerhewitt.com.